name is Brian Fechter, and in this video series, my colleague Andrew and I have walked you through the logically based platform. In each video, we've touched on one of the many tools that we offer free of charge to deliver immense value to your day-to-day and enhance your client experiences. Some tools such as our tax loss prospector, fund screener, fund flows, compare, and many more. We take that same value that we deliver at no charge with Logically Base, and we up the ante to another level with Logically Core. Logically Core offers all the tool sets that you're used to within Logically Base, in addition to many more, such as our side-by-side tool, which allows you to compare two portfolios against one another and view a breakdown of asset class information, performance measures, risk, factor exposures, and even a scenario analysis. Logically Core also gives you access to a standalone performance attribution tool where you can input any US ETF, your desired benchmark, through your desired time frame, and the system will give you a performance attribution breakdown across all sectors within the security that you inputted and your selected benchmark. Logically Core is highlighted by the advanced analysis outputs within our portfolio analysis tool. In Logically Base, you are used to seeing the highlighted outputs here. Through Logically Core, you have access to the entire universe of our advanced analysis outputs. Some of these outputs include a portfolio level performance attribution breakdown, showing fund by fund which funds have contributed the most to your portfolio's positive performance. In addition, we give you a marginal contribution to risk breakdown inside the risk tab. This shows which funds are contributing the most to the portfolio's overall risk level. And this graph is dynamic, so if you'd like to see what the risk looks like if you wanted to remove the riskiest asset, you can then see where the risk will be spread elsewhere and aid in your rebalancing decisions. And of course, as we mentioned previously, we have an in-depth tax lot analysis that provides portfolio level suggestions for tax loss harvesting opportunities. If you're interested in Logically Core, please don't hesitate to reach out to our sales or customer success team. We can be reached via email at support@thinklogically.com. And of course, you can always utilize the chatbot function in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. We're looking forward to connecting with you, and as always, think logically.